Zucchini gets all the love from muffins. Today we're making yellow squash mini muffins with a hint of lemon. In a large bowl, add 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and whisk that together. Once it's all mixed well, set that off to the side. In a small bowl, we're going to mix the wet ingredients, so you'll need 1/2 cup of finely shredded yellow squash, 1/2 cup of melted refined coconut oil, 2 flax eggs, which is 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed mixed with 6 tablespoons of water that you let sit for 5 minutes, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract, and 1/2 cup of non-dairy milk. Mix that together until it's well combined. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. You're going to mix this up gently so you don't overmix it. Overmixing the batter can make a tough, chewy muffin. I like using a wooden spoon instead of a whisk when I'm mixing them together, otherwise the batter just really clumps and sticks to the whisk. Grease or line with paper cups a 24 mini muffin pan. Using a miniature ice cream scooper or a cookie scoop, fill the cups evenly as possible. I actually didn't have enough to fill just one little cup. They'll go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. When they're done, they'll be a golden color, and when you touch them, they should spring back. Making mini muffins makes them easier to pack in a lunchbox. Subscribe for more easy, kid-friendly, plant-based recipes. Thanks for watching.